Sports on Air.
Yeah, it's a good win for us. We were disappointed on how we played the last game. So I just told the players the only way that we can come back to win today's game to at least hindi kami lumayo dun sa standing. We know every game is going to be important. You can see that every team in this league right now is really hard to compete with. So you just have to come out playing hard every game. So kagandaan lang siguro today is the bench stepped up. So Mark, Ed, Bing played great today. And we just have to learn on our mistakes, especially on turnovers, yung timing ng turnovers.
Import mo?
Not import mo.
Well, begging to be asked.
I think with Joel, I think he has to learn on how to preserve his fouls. It's been 2 games that he's been fouling. He has to learn how to control his emotions. He's a good import, but still, we need him to play longer minutes. And the nice thing, the whole third quarter without him, the Lopez were able to step up and hindi lumayo yung Colombian sa amin. We actually played good when he wasn't in the court. But mahirap talaga maglaro na pag wala kang import. So, I think we're going to show in the video some things that yung mga fouls niya kasi he has to learn on how to at least last longer in the game.
Yung sinasabi mo nung...
Nanood ka kasi today kaya nanalo ko.
Ito yun!
Kaya nagtago ka dyan. Ito mo ba para sa mga chance?
Kasi yung sinasabi mo nung Friday na yung yes to import these teammates, nagawa ba niyo yung...
I think we moved the ball better today. If you look at it, we really didn't go to the post that much in the beginning. It went through everybody's hands. Ang turnovers lang namin kasi usually pagka masyado maraming dribble. But I think today we did a better job in moving the ball and getting everybody touches. We know that TnT is one of the top teams probably at kung siguro sa ranking. I see them at the number 2 team. They have a great import. Napalit ko siya dun sa liga nila sa 10. Terrific 12, and he can really score. He's very athletic. It's going to be tough because we know TnT this conference is focused to win the championship. So we have to find ways to at least limit the import and Jason. Kasi si Jason nagdadala ng team doon. Bigay pa sila.
So Wednesday, lagi na sila.
Okay?
Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified with our latest videos.